Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back with those dreams? What do you want to do to make them come true? What could I help you with to take your life to a higher level? If you and me could possibly work together, why not see if we can get your next big adventure started? Drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute call at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. At night, I can't sleep. In the morning, I can't wake up. This is a truth for so many people. The alarm goes off and you somehow drag yourself out of bed. After a long day, you get yourself back into bed and your head hits the pillow. And what happens? Your mind starts 20 different conversations all at once. But all you want to do is just sleep. When you do hit that pillow, see if you can just close your eyes and think of all the good things. At least you can hopefully drift off to sleep with a smile on your face.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.